Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, if you're new to the page, go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. It is so good to be back. Hey, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I just wanted to get some information out that I believe that may help you guys. Remember, never fall for spam. Never send money on crypto to anybody. I don't care if they say it's me on any platform or anybody else's page. So the Fed had a meeting on Monday, and supposedly they're supposed to release the minutes from that meeting 2 hours before the market closed. All right. So 2 hours before the market closed. That's 1 o'clock Chicago time. Just think 2 hours before the market closed. Now, here's what I'm going to tell you about that. I'm going to say that if they decide to raise the interest rates starting on March 16th, right? Oddly enough, a month from today, actually, exactly a month from today, if they decide to raise the interest rates by 1/4% on March 16th, I believe the market will have already priced that in, and it won't be a big deal for the market. As a matter of fact, you could see a little green. If the market goes, if they say we're going to raise the interest rates 0.5%, or even 0.75% or even higher, I've heard ridiculous numbers like them raising it 1%. That will tank the market, right, good people? So this is what I'm planning on doing. I'm planning on, if the market, if they say we're going to raise the interest rates on March 16th more than 1/4%, then I'm going to start buying some of the dips. Now, I'm not talking about my $5 a day challenge, or for those of you that's dollar cost averaging in, you continue to do that, but I'm going to buy some of the dips. What I believe that's going to happen this week is, I believe that if they go over 1/4%, raise it any higher, say 1/2 or 3/4, that's going to further tank the market. As we speak right now, the Dow was down about 300 points. I'm just keeping an eye on it right now to see where we are. So I believe that that will tank the market today, but I also believe that it will have a further sell-off on Friday. So it literally could sell off for 3 days. Let's say if they say we're going to go up 0.5% instead of 1/4%. I believe we'll have a sell-off today and tomorrow. If they say we're going up, 0.75%, I believe the rest of this week will be red. I absolutely do. So what I'm looking for is, now sometimes the market overreacts on the front end. When I say, for those of you that are new, when I say that the market is pricing it in, that means that if the market knows the interest rate is coming March 16th, a month from today, then it's going to react now. Because remember, the stock market is forward looking. And for crypto, same thing. So, Larry, what are you going to do? I'm going to look for every stock that I think is going to be a good long-term play. Remember, good people, this is the time for you to position your good long-term plays. I'm even talking about the SoFis. I'm talking about the Palantirs. I'm talking about the charge points. I'm going to be looking at Mana. I'm going to be looking at ADA. I'm going to be looking at Matic, M-A-T-I-C. I'm also going to be looking at more XTZ, Tezos, more Gala, more XRP. I'm going to be looking to buy some of all of those. And in stock, just look at my $5 a day, all 3 portfolios of the Larry Jones $5 a day challenge. I'm going to be looking to buy all of those. Even Roblox, which, earnings didn't come in good. And so their Roblox is tanking, right? Yesterday, before the earnings report, I was up green, even in my portfolio that I shared with you guys. I was all green. And then, of course, after they reported, it tanked. Okay. And then it further tanked after closing bell. Right. So the PE on that Roblox is still high, but I still believe that it's in a buy range. That's why I suggested you guys don't buy these overhyped IPOs. You could get it right now for half of what it IPO'd and half of what a lot of you guys paid for it. So when a stock is talking about an IPO and they set an IPO number of $75, right? And then, you know, leading up to the IPO, it IPOs at $150. Wait. I always say wait. Let it come back to you, good people. Okay? So I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to just chop this video up and get it out. I just want to say at the end of this video, I'm going to play some snippets from my visit from Phoenix, Arizona. I had a meet and greet and over 50 people showed up. It was absolutely fantabulous. And so just check it out. And then I did some more speaking. I was speaking everywhere I went. And I just love to meet and greet you guys. I am going to do more meet and greets as I travel and trade. I love you guys. Position yourselves accordingly. Listen, I always say we are not scared. We are prepared. All right. So I want you to identify the stock that you want to get long-term positions in, because this bear market is not over. It never ceased to amaze me that every time we have a green day, I have somebody that comments, said, see, told you, it's all over. No, it's not over, good people. And then lastly, the Ukraine situation and Russia. So Russia, you know, Russia's showing people that they're withdrawing, but the United States says that they have intelligence that it's not, it's a bluff. So you and I, we don't know until it's all over. So plan accordingly. We don't know what's going to happen to oil. I still have my oil. And if I see that it's going to, you know, that it's time to take profits, then I'll take profits. But for right now, I'm holding. I hope that we avert war. I think that we will. But I'm just going to hold a little bit. Remember, I got in oil last year looking forward to this year. I got in banks last year looking forward to these interest rate hikes. So we rotated at the proper time. So that's why I'm making this video. Again, we are not scared. We are prepared. Make sure you check out all the links below. Good people, make sure that you have a platform that you could trade crypto and stocks. Make sure that you're not just in hype stocks or hype crypto. Make sure that you're just not in crypto and don't have any stocks, all right? And make sure that you're not just in stocks. Get some crypto, even if you start with 5%. Hey, I love you guys. Check out these, check out this short clip behind this. And tonight, we're Stock Mo, myself, and Keenan Grace. Tonight, we will be doing a live. It's on Stock Mo's page. Make sure you check it out. Peace and love. Love all you guys. Peace.
3.
What's up, good people? Because a bull market is coming. I want you to Google how many times does the stock market recover after a correction, a crash, or recession? Anybody knows the answer? 100%. Stand up and say that, please.
100%.
One
Every time.
100%. 100%. Right? We're taught that. Don't talk about money. You know what rich people talk about? Money. They're not all folks talking about money. They're talking to their kids about money. So I'm talking to my kids about money now.